Once again, welcome to IGCSE Mathematics video. In this video, we are discussing about hardest ICSE Maths question from the section LCM and HCF. Please support my channel through your like, through comments, and subscribe the video. Without delay the time, we can start each question one by one. In this video, we are discussing about 5 questions, hardest question from the section LCM and HCM. Once again, welcome to my video, IGCSE Mathematics. First question. The HCF of 144 and 180 is expressed in the form 13m minus 16. Find the value of m. So, they are given the HCF in another form. So, we have to find what is the original LCM or HCF of 144 and 180. So, we can do 144 as prime factorization, that is 272, again divided by 2, 36, again divided by 2, 18, again divided by 2, 9, again divided by 3, 3. So, we can get 144 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 raised to 4, 2 to the power of 4 into 3 to the power of 2, 3 square. Again, what is next number? 190. 190 we can factorize using prime factorization. 2, then getting 90. Again 2, we are getting 45. Here 45 we can do 2 methods, either 3 or 5. 5 is the easy, 5 nines are 45, again 3, 3, 3. So, what is this? 190 gives 2 to the power 2 into 3 to the power 2 into 5. So, we can write HCF is equal to the least power of the common numbers, that is equal to here 2 the least power 2 raised to 2 into 3 the power 2, 5 have not have the common, so that is we know it, that is equal to 4 into 9. For 2 raised to 2 is equal to 4, then into 9, that is equal to 36 is the HCF of 144 and 190. That is in the form of 13m minus 16, that equal to 36, because 36 is the HCF and in the form of 13m minus 16. What is 13m? 13m is equal to 36 plus 16, that is equal to 52. Then what is m? M is equal to 52 divided by 13, that is equal to 4. So, we can write the answer m is equal to 4. M is equal to 4. This is the first question. Then we can go to the next question. Find the smallest integer k such that 150k is perfect square. 150 became perfect square. Which number we have to multiply with 150? In the similar way, we can find the prime factorization of the 150. So, 150 we can factorize by 2, that is equal to 75. Again, this is the 75, then we can use 15. 15 means 15. 5 means 15, that is equal to again 5. Again, what are you getting? 3. So 150 is 150. You can write 2 into 5 into 5 into 3. But 150k became a perfect square. We need each number have the pairs. Here 5 have the pair, so no problem. So 2 need one more pair, so 2 into 3 need one more pair, that is equal to 3. That is equal to 2 into 3 is equal to 6. Upon that is why k is equal to 6. We can write the answer k is equal to 6. When multiply with 150 with k6, we are getting the perfect square, that is equal to 900. Next question. Find the smallest integer k such that 144k is perfect cube. So we can similar method 144. We can factorize by 2, prime factorization 72. Again 2, that is equal to 36. Again 2, that is equal to 18. Again 2, that is equal to 9. Again 3. So we can write 144 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. But 144k became a perfect cube. Here we need the group of 3 equal numbers. So this is the one group of 3. It is perfect. But here 3 having only 2. So one more 3 we need. We can write 3 here. Again 2. 2 having the only 1. We need extra 2 to, then 2 into 2. That is equal to 3 into 2, 6, 6 into 2, 12. 144 multiplied with 2, 12, we are getting the perfect curve. We can write k is equal to 12. Next question. Find the smallest integer n such that 140n is multiple of 168. That means we can write if 18 by 2, we can say 2 is multiples of 18 because 2 into 9 became 18. 2 is the multiples of 18. 18 is the multiples of 2. Similarly, 140n divided by 168. So we can divide is divisible maybe. So that is the what is the 140? What is the 140? 140 means we can prime factorization 2 became 70. Again 2 became 35. Again 5 became 7. Similarly 168. What is 168 with the 2? 84. Again 2, 42. Again 2, 21. Again 3, 7. So we can write here 140n divided by 168 is equal to 140. We can write here like 2 into 5 into 7 into n. Then is the we have to find the value divided by 168. How much? 2 into 3 into 7. We can cancel 1 to numerator, 1 to denominator, next to numerator, next to denominator, and 1 7 and 1 7 here. We want to remain in the denominator is 6. The denominator remaining is 6. So we can write n is equal to 6. N is equal to 6. So the value of n is equal to 6. Next question. Next and last question. Pen come in pack of 12 and a pencil come pack of 20. If we want to buy the same amount of pens and pencils, how many packs of each do we need to buy? Here asking the number of packs. So we can write the what is this pen. Pen 1 pack containing 12, 2 pack containing 24, next 14, next 60, next 72, like going. Okay. Again pencil. What is the 1 packet containing 20? 1 packet contain 20, 2 packet contain 40, 3 packet contain 60. So here what is this? Here the common amount is came here 60 and here 60. So pen, how many packet one have to need? 1, 2, 3, 3 packets. And pencil, how many packets? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 packets. That is this 5 pencil, 5 packets. This is the method of finding the answer easily. If you like the video, please share it and subscribe it and give your comment in comment section. Thank you, one and all.